Hi mga ka-UVG, ako ulit, kamusta kayo dyan? So, pasensya na medyo late, busy lang ng konti. So, tingnan natin kung anong ganap. Sa mga new subscriber po natin, thank you so much po. Highly appreciated. Sa mga nag-comment, nag-share, nag-like, thank you so much po. Sa mga returning subscriber, hello po. Musta po kayo dyan? Thank you po sa suporta. Okay. So, tingnan natin kung anong kaganapan sa ating UVG Collective. UVG Collective. So, let's see. Oh my God. First card. So, i-close na natin to. Wag naman. Grabe ka naman. Four of what? Four of Wands. Four of Fire. Sige na. Uwian na. May nanalo na. Ay, Virgo. Lakas ng energy. New love. Baka nakakakita ka ng mga repeating numbers dyan. Twin flame number. Soulmate number. The Hierophant. Commitment. My God. Hindi ko alam kung the Star card. So, Virgo, maaaring naganap na, magaganap pa lang, or kasalukuyang nagaganap para po sa mga Virgos na committed na. Congratulations po. Your relationship is going into the next level, more intimacy, more stability, stronghold. Ano ako masasabi pa? Sa mga Virgos naman po na still living in together, there's a possibility merong proposal, moving in together, doing something solid, long term with the Hierophant card. Para naman po sa mga nag-i-expect Virgos, love department, merong papasok na stability sa'yo, Virgo. Okay? And this is definitely a commitment on the spot. Okay. You will feel the love, the security with this energy, Virgo. And I have nothing to say. You will feel you are on the top of the world. 8 may be significant. 6 may be significant. 4, 5. All about changes, Virgo. So, it's a good start. Let's see what else. Commitment is here. Love is on the air, Virgo. Stability is on the air. Yes. Or sometimes, second scenario, you are loving, you are loving yourself. You are creating more stability and security with yourself. You are being committed to love yourself and to build your own. To build your own stability, to build your own self-love, and tama ba ang sinabi ko? For some of you, that hindi naghahanap, you're satisfied. Okay. Whatever you are doing right now, you're loving it, Virgo. Fall in love ka na sa sarili mo. And you are focusing more on yourself, self-love, stability, and commitment about doing it. So, okay. So, second scenario po yun. Okay. So, let's see. And you are healing with the star card, healing card, or on the spotlight. So, let's see. Ang galing naman. Ang ganda naman, Virgo. Ganda ng mga energy mo. Let's see what else. The Justice card. Okay. and the Five of Air. So what you reap, what you sow, Virgo, with the Justice card. Alam naman po natin kung ano ang Justice card. Authority, sometimes legalities. Okay. So, kung magkatabi ang Hierophant at saka Justice card, definitely meron ditong about legalities, authority figure. Okay. Kung itong dalawang to. But spiritually, mentally, spiritually, karma, there is a karma attached on what you are doing. Okay. If you are sending love, then you will reap love. If you are sending chaos with the Five of Swords, you will reap chaos 10 times more. Okay. So, that is the law. Yan ang law. It, that's how it works, Virgo. So with the Five of Swords, there is a confrontation, conflict, challenges, okay. King of Earth. So meron ditong isang person, hindi lang pala isa, messenger of air. So meron tayo ditong Knight of Swords. Okay. Knight of Swords, Four of Air, healing, contemplating, Five of Swords to the Four of Swords or Four of Swords to the Five of Swords. Merong gustong maghatid ng mensahe dito? Okay. Mensahe about what? Justice will be served here. Kailangan ng communication. Okay. So, hindi ko alam, Virgo, kung saang department mo yan. Okay. Baka different scenario itong nakukuha ko. But, either way, may kailangan mag-speak up dito. Pero kailangan mo ng pag-isipan bago mag-communicate with the messenger of air. Four of air is contemplation, meditating, thinking about it, healing. Yeah, you need to think about it 10 times more, 100 times more bago ka magsalita, bago ka mag-confront. Kasi maaaring mag-result ng ibang daan yan. Five of Swords, changes. Once na mag-communication is mag-take place, there is gonna be a change with the five here. Five is all about changes, Virgo. Hierophant also is 5. 11 is 11, you cannot break it down. Sa numerology, 11 is a master number. So justice will be served. 11, polarity. Light and dark, pillar, two pillar. So I think the universe is on your back, Virgo, whatever it is. Basta alam mo lang sa sarili mong hindi ka natitrigger ng tao, then you're good. Okay. But, if you are the person with the Five of Swords, mahilig kang makapagkompetensya, challenges, or something in that line, make sure mo na one of these days, you will reap what you sow. Okay. That's what I'm trying to tell here, Virgo. Either way, kung alam mo naman ang posisyon mo na you are in the good, you are nagtatanim ka ng maganda, then you're good. Wala kang dapat na ikabahala. Okay. What else? Three of air. Wow. 3, 4, and 5 of swords. It's all about the thoughts, Virgo. Overthinking. And at the same time, okay, merong hustisya dito. We'll see. Tell me more. You have 2 of air. Wow, ang galing. 2, 3, 4, and 5. So, this is definitely a process, Virgo. Kailangan mong dumaan sa proseso, okay, before you communicate what it is or whatever it is, Virgo, kung ano man niyang hinanaing mo na gusto mong i-communicate. Okay. You have to think about it over and over and over again. Okay. Or for some of you, maybe community or person that you are dealing with, kailangan magdesisyon dito na makipag-usap. Messenger of air. Kailangan ng communication dito. Three of fire, planning. May nagpaplanong makipag-usap or ikaw ay nagpaplanong makipag-usap on someone but it's gonna hurt a lot. Okay. I'm not gonna lie with the three of air. Okay, but at the same time, kung pinag-isipan at pinaghandaan mo, it's not gonna hurt that much, Virgo, with the four of air. Contemplate with the star card at the bottom of the deck kanina. Just give love into the situation and you're good. Two of air, decision making, crossroad. Either magko-communicate with the messenger of air or gonna keep it to yourself with the um, two of air. Two of air kasi is a decision making. So, hindi ka magde-decide. Hindi lalabas ang two of sword kung hindi ka nagde-desisyon. I-keep mo na lang or kailangan mo magsalita. Kasi alam mo pag nagsalita ka, there is gonna be a chaos here with the five of air. There's gonna be a big transformation into the situation. Justice will be served. Okay, whatever it is, Virgo, for you. Pero it's a big factor here when it comes to when it comes to stability and security. Okay. So, what else? Sa mga hindi po makaka-resonate, better luck next time po. Okay. Sa mga makaka-resonate po, so thank you po in advance. So, let's see. Let me know in the comment below. Okay. What else, Virgo? What else? Kailangan may magsalita dito. Speak your truth. Either you're gonna choose yourself, loving yourself, or you are down into the commitment, or baka ayaw mong i-communicate kasi baka masaktan tong person na to, or baka merong isang person dito na iniisip niya na ikaw ang karma niya. Okay. What else? And you are doing just fine, Virgo. O meron dito isang person na gustong i-level up ang sitwasyon. Bringing the situation to the next level, Virgo. Into the next level. But at the same time, merong magulo. Okay. Or merong gumugulo. Or merong nababagabag dito when it comes to the situation. Or baka this is a different scenario. Hindi ko alam kung anong department sa iyo to. Kasi nagpa-pop out dito energetically. Kung meron kang personal issues, Virgo, I think it will come to the surface. Kailangan magdesisyon ng isa dito na kailangan mag-communicate, okay? Either way or baka. Keep it to yourself na lang. Okay, so let's see. What else? The Tower card, very unexpected. Queen of Earth. Okay. Grounding yourself, Virgo. And with the Five of Fire, as I said, chaos. Okay. Breathe in, breathe out. Tower card is unexpected. Unexpected communication and decision making. May masasaktan talaga dito when it comes to words. Puro tayo air. Mantakin mo. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Ang ending is 5 pa rin. 5 of fire, kung alam niyo po sa traditional tarot is 5 of wands. 5 of wands and 5 of air, pag sinama mo yan, chaos talaga. Okay, but you need to ground yourself, Virgo, with the Queen of Earth. Speak your truth, kasi alam mo justice will be served. And something here is not adding up, Virgo. Hindi nakikita ang situation from what it really is with the Tower card. Something is false here, Virgo. Or wearing a mask, should I say. Meron talaga ditong hindi mo but if nag-ooperate ka in the love realm, heart chakra, Virgo, if nag-ooperate ka sa ganyang part, Wait. Kung nag-ooperate ka na gamit ang heart dito, Virgo, then you will see the justice here na talagang fit for you. Meaning to say is, if you give love into the situation, justice will be on your side. Like, laging nananaig ang kabutihan sa kasamaan. Nagigets mo? O yun lang ang gusto kong i-point out. Ang dami ko nang sinabi. I'm sorry about that. Pero with all of these swords, someone here is dilulu. Dilulu, meaning to say, lutang. Ang dami niyang iniisip, hindi niya alam na ang kontra niya dito is very grounded with the Queen of Earth as Virgos. Hindi ko alam kung sino tong very grounded kasi chaos ang dala nito when it comes to communication. May trigger din dito with the Tower card, Two of Air, talagang uh, but justice is here. Pag ang spread is may justice sa lapag. No, alamin mo kung saang baraha ka, saang coin. Either side of the saan ka ba sa coin na yan, tao ka ba or yung central. So once na magpabor ang tadhana dito, you know sa sarili mo na nag-operate ka, naging totoo ka dito, love, stability, naging committed ka. Naging committed ka sa sitwasyon na hindi ka, wala kang assurance. And at the end of the day, kailangan mong imulat ang mata mo kasi false. Whatever you created, Virgo, even though nasa friendship, coworker, work department, family department, meron ka ditong binild up na nagkaroon ng false, false, false na epekto sa person. Nag-create siya ng idea dito na you are bringing love, you are soft. Okay. And then, I think justice is here para i-equal or i-balance ang sitwasyon. Out of balance na dito eh. Five of Swords, saka Five of Wands. Kaya kailangan, isa sa inyo is nakakita ng bigger picture and then you need to decide. Masakit man, pero kailangan. Okay. And for some of you, that is the case. And for some of you, meron ditong kailangang i-address when it comes to commitment or contract or whatever it might be. Since love ang pinaka-highlights natin dito, ang theme ng reading na to, either love department, like for real relationship, or maybe friends department, family department, career department, we are talking about stability and security when it comes to Four of Wands at saka Hierophant card. Yung justice nag-pop out kasi merong hindi balance dito. Okay. Love department, family, friends, coworker. Merong hindi balance dito. But, nanonotice ng justice card na merong groundedness. Okay. Lugi ang kabila kapag alam niya sa sarili niya na being a bitch energy can cause a lot of things. Maybe not now, maybe tomorrow or the next day. Okay. But the karma is there. Naka-attach yan, nakalakip. Sige, tawa ka ngayon, bukas, plangak ka. You know what I mean? Digital na po ngayon. So, sa mga person po na hindi ko alam kung sinong kinakausap ko, but Virgos, alam mo ang sarili mo. Alam mo kung nasa tama ka at lagi kang agrabyado, then you have a big smile on your face. Sooner or later, justice will be served. Okay. With the Five of Fire, kung sino man to, and the Five of Swords, let it be, let it go. Hindi ganun kadali. Okay, fine. But it is what it is. Kaya lumabas ang Queen of Earth kasi kailangan mong i-ground ang sarili mo dito, whatever it is ang communication. Anong communication man ang mag-pop out dito. Okay. Ang Tower card po kasi, divine na po kasi ang gumalaw sa Tower card. Ang Tower card po kasi, false foundation. Okay. So, ang universe ang gagalaw or ang source ang gagalaw para sa iyo kasi ang tigas mo, hindi ka gumagalaw. Meaning to say, may pinapagawa sa iyo pero nakapikit ka lang, pilit mong pinipikit ang mata mo. Hindi ko alam kung ikaw or person na connected sa'yo. So, sa ayaw at sa gusto mo, talagang ang source ang gagawa ng paraan para i-move out ka sa mga toxic dito. Okay. You deserve more here, Virgo. So with the Five of Wands and the Five of Swords, it's gonna be big changes here, Virgo. So what else? Tingnan natin. Pero ang pinakamaganda dito is alam mo, you know better. What you reap, what you sow. Kung alam mong nasa bright side ka, then you're good. You're fine. Pero kung alam mong bitch energy ka, tawa ka ngayon, iyak ka bukas. Like, hello people. Digital na ngayon, pre. Huwag kakalimutan. Digital na. At saka ang kasabihang mapalad ang inaapi. With the star card is being here. Definitely. Star card and the Five of Earth, lahat ng 5 is lumalabas. Ang karma, kung sino man to, Virgo, merong karma dito na about finances. Hindi ko alam kung sinong magka-crush ng finances dito. So, recovery is here. Temptation is here. And the Hermit is here, Virgo. And the King of Earth is here. Congratulations. Merong couple card. And at the same time, different scenario. Okay. But with the star card, merong kailangan mag-heal ang finances dito. But with the temptation card, is hard. Mahirap kasi merong mga tentasyon. And at the same time, kaya nga tayo merong groundedness card. King of Earth at saka Queen of Earth is nandito. You need to stabilize, balance your finances, Virgo, like yin and yang, or maybe someone around you, or maybe someone is connected on you, na kailangang i-ground ang sarili when it comes to finances, healing the finances, saving, and more. Kasi definitely merong temptation dito. Be careful sa mga big purchases, Virgo. You need to, kailangan mong decipher. Kailangan mo i-decipher ang sitwasyon muna bago ka mag-decide ng mga big purchases, Virgo, because the temptation is there. Okay. Together with the Hermit card, alamin mo muna kung talagang paki-pakinabang or not at all. So, look at the bigger picture when it comes to big purchases or alam mong tentasyon para sa'yo or you know what I mean. You need to heal on that side or maybe someone. Okay. Kailangan i-heal ang that side or maybe there is someone is going to suffer here when it comes to finances. I don't know. Hindi ko alam. Basta pag meron tayong justice card, definitely merong karma dito. So, hindi ko alam kung ikaw, Virgo, ay giver in any way, shape, or form, time, finances, resources, love, carrying, anything. Definitely meron kang something in return na more than enough. Okay. More than enough ng time, more than enough ng resources, more than enough ng friends, good friends, and everything good. You know what I mean? But if you are a Virgo na saksakan ng damot at saksakan ng bitter, saksakan ng you know what I mean, asahan mo na kung ano. Siguro naman di ka manunod ng channel ko kung ikaw ang Virgo na dinidescribe ko na saksakan ng pangit at itim ang budhi. Diba? So, ang mga members lang natin dito is enlightened Virgos. Okay, yung talagang ini-extend ng sarili sa responsibilidad na hindi naman kanila. Okay. So, relax. Lahat ay may kabayaran. Meaning to say, lahat ay may, anong tawag yan? Tulungan nyo nga ako mag-isip. Ano nga yun? Meron nga sa isip ko na pag may inutang ka, kailangan mong bayaran. Meaning to say, kahit sa sitwasyon nangyayari yan. Diba? Just be real. Reality check. Once na may ginawa ka sa kapwa mo, don't expect something in return kasi ang universe na or ang source na ang bahala para sa'yo. In a very special way, in the right timing, right time, right place. Kung kailan nila ibibigay yung ibinigay mong kabutihan, 'di ba? Kung ikaw ay nagbigay ng kasamaan, then make sure na on time, the right place, the right moment din babagsak sa'yo yung ginawa mo sa kapwa mo. Like, you know what I mean? Kailangan ng equilibrium, kailangan ng balance sa earth. Kaya tayo may mga sinasabi mga law. At saka kaya rin sinasabi na merong free will. Okay. So, hindi ko alam kung sinong kinakausap ko pero definitely may tatamaan dito. Kung hindi finances, when it comes to, you know what I mean? Kung anong ginawa mo sa kapwa mo, hindi babalik din sa'yo. Expect mo na yan. What else? King of Water, Compassion. Sa sinabi ko dito sa King of Earth at saka Queen of Earth, kailangan mong i-balance dito, Virgo, ang yin and yang mo, being independent and being on your own source of income, but definitely kailangan ng moderation dito. Hindi lang moderation, kundi seeing the bigger picture. Why is that? Kasi temptation is here. The card of temptation is definitely on the board. But at the same time, the justice is here, love is here, stability is here. Kung magpapatemptation ka, lahat yan. Magkakaroon ng conflict. Kaya siguro may mga swords ka dito. Okay. So you need to heal something here, Virgo, when it comes to finances with the Five of Earth, or emotionally or mentally lacking something or feeling left out in the cold with the Five of Earth. Kailangan mong explore. You need to gain more knowledge and wisdom into the situation, Virgo, in order for you to balance things out when it comes to your yin and yang. So, you need to realign, Virgo. I think naka-align ka na. Nasa timeline mo ka eh. Kaya lang meron lang ditong gumagalaw ng energetic field mo. May nagme-mess up around, may something lang dito. Temptation kasi nandito. So with the King of Cups is, wala po tayong gender sa energy, okay? So with the King of Cups is being here, Virgo, it's like, more on compassion, but nonchalant, okay? You know to yourself na nandun ang care, nandun ang ano, but you need to be tough, Virgo. Okay. Kasi being nice is nice, pero not all the time. Virgo, yun ang masasabi ko dito. Together with the Ace of Earth, definitely. Opportunity or stability. This is a long-term goal, Virgo, for you. For you. For you. Ace of Earth is Ace of Pentacles. So with the Ace of Pentacles, there is a huge opportunity here or event that is going to take place, Virgo, na challenge ang decision making mo. And with the temptation card, yung commitment mo sa sarili mo when it comes to stabilizing yourself and loving yourself more, instead of paying attention to those people around you na it doesn't even make sense. Okay. So, pero meron ding lesson dito with the Justice card. Kailangang i-heal dito ang being, thinking, mentality, scarcity mindset kind of energy. With the Three of Swords, if you are in pain or someone is in pain, or maybe definitely someone is going to be in pain because of the communication and the words back and forth, Virgo. But with the Temptation card is being here, you need to be wise enough, okay, to communicate something specifically when it comes to love, career, family. I have no idea, Virgo. But with the Ace of Pentacles, this is a new beginning for you. Definitely meron kang 555 na lumabas kanina, Hierophant card. Titingnan kung gaano ka ka-committed sa stability na gusto mong i-create at sa loving yourself na gusto mong i-create, or sa relationship na binibuild mo na or binibuild nyo. Okay, so kunin na natin lahat ng mga different scenario na posibleng mangyari sa cards na to, Virgo, but specifically, give love into the situation and you will receive love. Okay, and just don't pay attention sa mga temptation dito. Merong lakas talaga ng temptation, but you have the new beginning here. Focus on the bag, Virgo. Focus on the bigger picture. Focus on the reward, Virgo. Because justice is here. And the Hierophant, pag together yan, i-make sure mo talaga na hindi baliwala ang pagpapasensya mo dito. Hindi baliwala ang mga pagle-let go dito. Okay. Kung natitintasyonan ka man on something, You need to shut yourself. Yan. Hindi ko sinabing in a bad way kasi with the Hermit card, kung makikita mo dito, gusto mo mag-isa. This is alone time. Nine, this is a completion already. Okay. You've been through a lot. Wounded warrior. Nine, no. Nine. But this is a hermit card. I mean, I'm talking about the numerology number. Nine. Nine is completion. Near sa completion. You know what I mean, Virgo? Sana naman ay nakuha. So, tingnan natin kung ano ang advice sa aking mga ka-UVJ dyan. Sana naman ay naka-resonate. Sa mga hindi po maka-resonate, better luck next time po. Okay. So, yeah. Pay attention lang, Virgo. Sa mga, so, nothing is yet set in stone. Definitely, kung ano man yan para sa'yo. Wala ka pang itinaga sa bato dito. Okay. So, let's see. What else? Yung tipong feeling, kasi pag nakikita ko yung Hierophant card at saka Justice card yung team na yan, tapos sa underneath merong 3 of Swords saka 2 of Swords. Itong apat na to, okay. Sige, sabay na natin yung Temptation at saka yung Hermit card. Meaning to say kasi, tapos napapalibutan ka ng 5 of Wands kanina, 5 of Swords, at saka 5 of Pentacles. Yung tipong yun nga sinasabi ko, tawa ka ngayon, feeling mo panalo ka ngayon, okay, iiyak ka sa huli. Okay. As I said, ang karma po is magaling tumiming. Lalong-lalo na sa sitwasyon na alam na agrabyado ka or kailangan ng tamaan ka ng karma. Magaling tumiming ang karma. Okay. So, ang pinaka-advice dito is be good even if they don't deserve. Okay. Kasi mahirap na. Either ikaw mismo ang tatamaan or miyembro ng pamilya. So, pay attention lang, Virgo. Kung alam mo naman na nasa bright side ka, then let it go, let it fly. Pero kung alam mo ikaw mismo ang gumagawa, then be prepared. Pero hindi naman ako sa nananakot or something, kaya pa namang i-pull out yan. Just do good. You know what I mean? Be kind. Yeah. So, sa mga dyan, alam niyo naman siguro kung anong ibig ko sabihin. Merong instant actually. Yung pakagawa niya pa lang sa'yo, after 5 minutes, makikita mo na agad sa mata mo. Or you will see it in your own eyes na tinamaan ng karma din. Na mapapasabi ka na lang, oh my God, love talaga ako ni Lord. Sige, wag na natin i-include si Lord dito. Kaya, you know what I mean? That is definitely a big factor no, which is karamihan na may misunderstand. So, conclusion is within reach, Virgo. Nothing is yet set in stone and conclusion is within reach. Communication is the key. Sabi ko sa inyo, mayroon kailangan mag-communicate dito. Your hard work is paying off. Whatever it is, Virgo, that you are doing, it's gonna be paid off. Make sure of that. Even na sabihin natin, hindi man sa trabaho, sa pamilya, responsibilidad, or sabihin na lang natin sa paghuhugas ng plato, i-make sure mo na all the hard work is going to be paid off by something good, Virgo. Okay. Everything counts. Walang sayang. Okay. Lahat ng mga paghihirap or sakripisyo na ginagawa mo, Virgo, it's counted. Okay. I just want to let you know that. With the Ace of Earth is nandito, this is a big opportunity for you, Virgo. Mapalad ang inaapi. Okay. Hayaan mo lang kasi may oras din sila para sa kanila. Congratulations lang din in advance. Okay. So, tingnan natin. Anong angel message number mo, Virgo? 7, 9, 792, Virgo. So, 792, Google mo siya. Angel message 792. Maaaring makaresonate sa sitwasyon mo, Virgo. So, this is what I have for you. Thank you for being here, Virgo. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one and bye for now.